If you've ever wanted to build projects with drawers but thought they were tough to build, we have a pleasant surprise. You can build sturdy drawers simply using 1/2-inch materials and a plywood bottom. Then you'll add a decorative false front. You can find 1/2-inch thick boards in home centers in a couple of different widths, or you can cut 1/2-inch plywood to any width you need. For 1/2-inch material, the Kreg micro jig is a great choice. It makes a smaller pocket hole, and using it is just like any other Kreg jig. With the pocket holes drilled, just drive in Kreg panhead screws. Now you can add a 1/2-inch plywood drawer bottom that also gets attached using pocket hole joinery. Notice that the pocket holes are in the front of the drawer box where they'll get covered by the false front. The others are on the outside of the drawer back where they'll never be seen.